check out this weather that we're having right now. Look at that lightning. We're waiting for the rain. Lily's chilling. This is old sticks that I got off of my fig tree. When we chopped it up, we still haven't cleaned up a lot of it. But I am making a little pentagram because I'm going to hang it at the end over there. So we're just chilling out here on a Monday night with this beautiful weather. Lily's just chilling. Lily! Get huskies ignoring. But yeah. Anyways, I'll show you when I'm done. But I have this twine and putting it together. And then I'm going to hang it right over there. So I'll show you in a little bit. Look at that. If it starts raining, oh, it's going to be great because I get to fill my rain barrels, all my little water containers, that one, and then my brand new rain barrel over there. So that'd be great. Look at that. Look at that beautiful. Dang. I love rain. Let me close this damn door. There we go. I love thunder, rain. How pretty. Look at that. Okay, I'll be back in a little bit. Look at that. Look, it's thundering, the wind is blowing. I'm glad she doesn't freak out on thunder. She's just chilling. She just now got up, but she's been chilling the whole time. Right, mommy? Look at that. It ain't bothering her. Thunder. She's just chilling. See? She hears all the cars over there. Yeah, look. See. All right, so this is how it's coming along. I'm gonna fix it a little tighter and then I'll tighten it in these corners right here. Yeah, that lightning is pretty cool. And my husky is not afraid of thunder or anything, so she's chilling. We're out here, the wind is blowing like crazy, so yeah. All right, so here she is. She's not perfect, but she's pretty. Sticks from my fig tree. Of course, y'all know I'm Wiccan, and I am more of a I am a green witch, kitchen witch. So yeah, pretty decent size so that I can hang her right over there. Look at this. Crazy. I've been waiting out here, but no rain yet, so I'm probably gonna go inside for a little bit. Yeah, anyways, my little project. I have more too that I want to make smaller ones so that I can hang my herbs on. But now this wind is Crazy. All right, well, hopefully it'll start raining soon.